So I have this wig that I haven't touched since my Joker video, and I have this, this is Patricia. I really want to cut it. I want to put some bangs on it and stuff and things, but I have to style it first and then put it on my own head because I could probably cut it wrong, but anyway, I gotta style it first. So, you know. Did I say style? I meant straighten because I can't work with it unless it's straight. I'm watching Vampire Diaries. You can probably hear that in the background. So sorry. Ta-da! She looking fabulous. Trying to get it parted down the middle, but I straightened it off to the side, so now this side is not listening to me. Why? Why is this happening to me? Oh, come on. Like this? Okay, just get the rest of this stuff out of my way. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how to cut bangs. I've seen people do this like twisty thing, but I didn't watch any videos for it before this. So I'm just gonna go for it and hope it works. It's just a wig. I don't know why I'm worried. I'm trying to be even about it. Good. Twisty, twisty. I don't know how this works. I'll do the smart thing and I'll cut it longer than I want it, you know? Or maybe that's actually not. I don't know. I'm gonna cut this off. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna cut this off. This is fine. Oh. Oh god. Maybe that was good, because then I can like curl them. But isn't there a way to like thin them out? Like in this situation? You know. Okay, I'm gonna have to get them wet to get that to stop happening. So, wet. Alright, I think it's gonna work. This is gonna be fine. Everything's fine. Now, I don't want to dig out my blow dryer, so I'm just gonna do what you're not supposed to do. Oh god. Oh god. Alright. Yeah. I gotta cut them shorter. Okay. It's kinda cute. We got somewhere. Now I'm wondering if I should cut it like short. I don't know. Oh god, this is just go for it. No, because I won't be able to get it even. Oh god, I feel like I should take it off my head for this part. No, because then I don't know how short to make it. I'm gonna do that thing that everybody does, and I'm gonna put a ponytail in the middle. That's gonna make it longer in the back and shorter in the front, which is the opposite of what I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna go get Patricia. I'm gonna take it off and I'm just gonna guess. Okay, Patricia, we get it. You look better in it. Not supposed to happen. Okay, because I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna start out I'm gonna do that thing that they do in like Instagram videos where they just literally cut. This is why I don't cut my own hair. I will dye my own hair, but I will not cut it. Although I have cut my own bangs before. Don't listen to me. I got most of the length off, so I'm gonna try a thing that I could have swore I have seen people, you know, stylists do. You know? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Yeah, okay. We're gonna do it. I know exactly what I'm doing. Trust me. You know, I'll come back when I go all the way around the head because my phone only records for 5 minutes at a time. I think I've figured out what's happening. So wigs have like tracks and they go in different directions and they're not always thick. Like, I don't know how to explain this. They're spaced out. So the hair isn't coming out like if it were a full lace front, or if it were a full lace, you know, it would be coming out like natural hair more. But because it's not, and the tracks are uneven, even though I'm pulling it out, when they lay back down, they're going uneven. So I'm gonna keep going because I've started, and I don't want it to be like super blunt and then not. And it's not that bad. It's just you can see like choppiness because of the layers of the wefts. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going and hopefully, you know, I can make it look okay. I don't know. All right. Thanks, Patricia. It's not that bad. I feel like it would look better with its natural texture though. And I cannot style the back. I don't know how to do this. It's kind of cute. Oh yes. I feel cute. I don't know. I ended up getting it wet again so that I could have its natural texture and it looks so much better. I went a little overboard on the makeup, but it's cute. Oh, I do wish it was longer. I kind of regret cutting it this short, but it's still cute and it's just a wig, so I can't be that upset about it. Anyway, sorry for the kind of pointless video. I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.